Today I'm going to show you some more two-handed flip combos using a reversal transition. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz Tricking, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we'll be getting into the third set of combos for two-handed flips, which use a reversal transition to do. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your second set of combos for this level. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. Now, a reversal transition is anytime you land a trick with leg 1 followed by leg 2 and then take off with leg 2 followed by leg 1. The first combo is going to be a transformer follow through to a cartwheel. So you're going to do your transformer and follow through all the way around to a front side stance. And from there, you're set up to do your cartwheel. The second combo is going to be a cartwheel follow through to a transformer. So you're going to do your cartwheel and follow through to a front side stance. And from there, you're set up to do your transformer. Third combo is going to be a master scoot to a hand swipe. So you're going to do your master scoot and land in a backside stance. And from there, you're set up to throw your hand swipe. And the last combo is going to be a hand swipe to a master scoot. So you're going to do your hand swipe and land in a backside stance. And from there, you're set up to throw your master scoot. Now, since we're only focusing on transition for these combos, it doesn't matter if you start with a spin in the beginning or just do it regular, or if you land with a follow through or not at the end. It's totally up to you. Here are a few tips that can help you out. Make sure you're staying on your toes as much as you can when you do these combos. Always make sure to keep your arms nice and firm, pushing through your shoulders rather than just locking out your arms. And always, no matter what, make sure that you keep your eyes open. Also, think about the move that you're doing as you're doing it, and take these combos slow until it feels a little bit more comfortable, then you can add a little bit more speed or power. Also, if you want to get a little bit more practice with a reversal transition, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It just means a lot to have a group of you guys who are down to support the curriculum as much as you do. Here at Upraiz Tricking, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into redirect combos for two-handed flips, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.